Hey, I'm deciding to make a YouTube video because I want to. I'm bored and I like my hair. I don't give a fuck what anyone else thinks. God, I'm cool. I just can't sit so stupid. Okay, I need to open my blinds. I don't know why I didn't do this before, but yeah. And I'm really hyper because I had Monster. Yeah. But I was gonna talk about some shit that annoys people. I don't know if you can. I'm sitting on my bed. But you know what's really annoying? Okay, when you're like, Mom, I'm gonna go take a shower. And then you go to your room, get your fucking towel, get your clothes, and you hear she's running to the bathroom and she goes take her shower. Hey, hell no. I told you I was gonna go take a shower, so why are you running in there? Slap a hot one. I'm just kidding. It's a fucking bird. I'm sorry, that was cool, I thought. Bird! Huh. Unlock the window. Bird! Holy shit. Yeah. Burp, burp, burp. Chirp. Ah! They're playing tag. What if they had bird sex? What if I try to throw something at it? That's animal abuse. God. Oh my fucking God, that scared the shit out of me. I had nothing to throw. Oh my God. Little birdies. I get distracted so fucking easily. What if a bird flew in my window? I am so scared. I had a fucking heart attack. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Okay, I want to throw something at him because I'm a bitch. Okay, I just wasted like 2 minutes of my life looking at birds. Out my window. Birdie, birdie, bird. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, it's a fucking evil bird. Okay, should I be a cunt? Oh my God, I guess you can't help what you are, right? I missed. Well, oh. Okay. Well, my hair's not as good as I thought it was. Well, I was gonna take a shower, but then I got distracted by a bird. So, bye. Bye. Oh my god, that sounds like. Okay, bye. Seriously. Oh.